Day speech by Ashutosh Chandra 9C. Good morning to each and everyone, honorable principal, respected teachers, workers of this school, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen. We are proud to celebrate 74th Independence Day on 15th August 2020. We congratulate all the citizens of India on this auspicious day. We pay homage to our freedom fighters and also organize programs and salute our national flags, that is tricolor, singing national anthem Jana Gana Mana. India was known as Sone ki Chidiya, means golden bird, as there have been ample resources in our country. We are also known for the largest spice producer in the world. The British government captured India to control over the huge resources like land, coal, minerals, cotton, spice, etc. Britishers adopted divide and rule policy and deceived Indians. They ruled over India almost 200 years. In due course of time, great leaders like Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sarojini Naidu, and others emerged as great freedom fighters. The poet Subhadra Kumari Chauhan says, "बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुँह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी." While Subhash Chandra Bose urged our countrymen, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." Gandhi ji gave a slogan like "Do or die" and brought freedom through non-violence. They united people and fought against the British rule with courage and bravery. Ultimately, India got freedom on 15th August 1947, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, hoisted the national flag at the Red Fort. India is a country of diversity, yet we have greatest youth power in the world. Today the challenge before us is to maintain unity in diversity and transform our India into a superpower in the world. We must also learn to work together in hours like corona crisis. At the same time, we must overcome all types of discriminations like caste, religion, region, etc. to build our nation better for upcoming generations. May India live forever in the universe. At last, I wish everyone happy Independence Day once more and hope to build a wonderful, strong nation. Thank you so much for giving me this great opportunity. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम, जय भारत।
अब उसको चालू करते हैं।